Hi everybody, welcome to Quick Fixes for Credit and how to adjust your credit score fast. So what we're going to talk about is 5 things you can do today that will allow you to quickly and efficiently adjust your credit. So let's go ahead and figure out how we're going to get started. First thing you can do is ask for more, and the reason why is because of this number right here, 30% credit utilization. So this is the magic number that you want to be able to get to on all your credit cards that your credit reporting bureaus look at and say, okay, you don't have too much credit, you don't have too little credit. So if you have some high-end credit cards that are kind of loaded up already, ask for more to open up some space so that your credit utilization goes down. Goodwill adjustment letter. So this is if you have a late payment on an overall good account. If your account's already messed up and there's a lot of late payments, it won't work. But let's say this is one late payment in the past year or something like that. You can give them a call and ask if they do this. Write the letter, send it to them. The reasoning why you're not going to be late anymore, and it'll adjust your score accordingly. A very effective way to make sure that if you have something that's traditionally been in good standing, that you can get it back in that position. Pay it down. Okay, once again, let's look at that 30% number. Remember, that's the secret. So if you are paying down some cards, you may want to adjust your payments relative to the ones that have a little bit of a higher utilization level. Keep pushing that overall percentage down of outstanding balance versus total credit, not below 30%. And this is true even on inactive cards. If you have inactive cards, well, this is what I suggest you do with inactive cards, is transfer some of your balances so that those cards that have over 30%, you can get those some of that moved off to the inactive cards, because an inactive card with an open limit is scary for credit reporting agencies. They will actually reduce your score because of it. And finally, fix the errors. You know, you'll be amazed at how many mistakes can be on a credit report, and because of that, those credit mistakes can be simple things like an address that's wrong. Well, if all of a sudden it looks like you've lived a bunch of places, that can be a red flag. They can go, oh, this person's moving around a lot. Or if you have some jobs on there that are incorrect, and it looks like you're job hopping, those things actually impact your credit score. Checking to make sure there's no errors is a very important part of your overall credit health. And to find out more, visit us at 123creditfacts.com, or you can just click the link below this video. We have both free training on how to repair your credit and how to sort of keep your credit fitness up, as well as ways that you can get access to your credit reports so that you can see what's actually on there. You are responsible for your credit, and in today's world, when employers can see it, when insurance companies can see it, when banks can see it, it's a number that's sort of always there to represent what the world considers of your trustworthiness. Whether it's right or not, you know, the reality is that number is how you're being measured. So take the time, visit our site. We have lots of other information there, as well as those ways for you to get those free reports, free credit reports, and free training on how you can actually improve your credit and get that credit score back in your favor today. Thanks a lot, and we look forward to seeing you over at 123creditfacts.com.